Let's check. Number 6 says also 45%. So let's now go to number 6. Transformation problem as well. Whoops, not 40, but 45%. Got this right. Number 6 says if the function f of x equals e to the power of x is changed to g of x equals f of 5x plus 2, how has the graph been transformed? I am going to use a little algebra this time because I think it's very helpful. Do y'all remember the saying, inside lies, outside tells the truth? Transformations? Yeah, or x's lie, y's tell the truth. X's are on the inside here. What is that 5 doing to the x? Multiplying. So am I actually going to multiply by 5? No, that's a lie. Since it's a lie, we're not going to multiply by 5. We are going to divide by factor 5. So you're going to look through for say something about a factor 5. Does A say anything about a factor of 5?
No.
No. It says shift 5 units right. That would be a plus or a minus. That is out. B, does it say anything by factor of 5?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, sorry, I say factor of 5. Or you could say factor 1/5 since it's dividing. They could write it either way. This is where in the middle of the year I came back and I said, hey, the way I've always taught it is divide by factor 1/5. But calculus actually says factor 5. I learned from Dr. Milana. So it could be either one. So B, you see how it says factor of 5? That could be it. C could not. It says shifted 5. So we're going to eliminate C. And D says compress horizontally by a factor of 1/5. That could be it. So now here's the question. To decide between B and D, because they could write it with the numbers either way, 5 or 1/5. What is happening when you divide a number? Does it stretch it or shrink it when you divide a number? Just think any number. Pick. What's your favorite number, Josue?
9.
9. If you divide a 9 by 5, does it get bigger or smaller? Smaller. It shrunk. So is it going to be stretched or compressed? Compressed. So the answer is D. Now, graphically, could you do this? Yes. And I will show you graphically very quickly. I'm going to graph the original e to the power of x. And then I'm going to type in the transform. G equals f parentheses 5x plus 2 on the outside. The original is in green. The purple is the new. You can see it's shifted. Some might think maybe left, but it's certainly going up. And you can tell the turn is more sharp, meaning it's not an expanded turn, it's a compressed turn. You do the turn faster in a smaller amount of time, so it's a compressed turn. Turn, T-U-R-N, compressed turn. I can certainly see it's compressed because it didn't take longer or more time. It wasn't stretched out turn, it was a quicker turn. And I can now tell, well, it's either up or to the left. And then you go off your knowledge, that plus 2 is on the outside. It is up, not left, it is up. So it'd be up 2, and that's how you could do it as well.